Okay, so these are the ingredients that we have. We have 1 cup of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of oil, 4 cracked eggs that were mixed, 2/3 cup of cocoa, and this is the cocoa I used. I used Hershey's cocoa, and later on we're going to be adding a bit of vanilla. So yeah, those were the ingredients, and let's move on to our next step. First of all, to our big bowl, we're going to be adding our 4 cracked eggs, just like that. Put it all in there, and after we put those cracked eggs, we're going to take our 2 cups of sugar and pour it right into there. And we're not going to add the flour yet. We're going to mix it for some time. So yeah, let's just mix it now. We're mixing the eggs and the sugar. As we continue mixing, if you're a kid and you're watching this, or like a teen, you must have summer break. So comment down below what you guys are doing during summer break and if you have any plans. And yeah, tomorrow should be Father's Day, so that's also pretty cool. And now let's add the oil. We have 1 cup of oil that we're going to be adding to our mixture. So just add that 1 cup of oil and let's mix it. Okay, now we're going to be adding the flour. We have 1 cup of flour, and we're going to be adding all of that into our mixture, just like that. See, nothing's left. And let's mix it around. This is going to make our batter more thick. And yeah, let's add our cocoa, the most important part. We have 2/3 cup of cocoa. This is basically kind of the main part of our brownies. And let's continue mixing. Now you can see the batter's turning into a brownish, dark brown color. This is really where the batter reaches its final stages, and we have only a few more steps to go. Right now, it's a little hard to mix it because it can get a little bit tough. The batter can start to get a little bit thick. But yeah, now we're gonna add our vanilla, just a few drops, not too much. So that vanilla really added more flavor to our brownies. Once again, this brownie recipe is very simple, and in fact the vanilla was our last ingredient. This tastes really good. I've made it a few times before and I really love it. Once it is fully mixed, scrape some of the extra batter that may be sticking to the sides of the bowl. And now we're gonna put it into our baking pan. We're just gonna pour everything into here. Remember to put some oil in the baking pan to make sure that it doesn't stick. So just like that, put all of the batter. And you might need to scrape some of the batter inside. Just make sure all of it comes inside. Once all of the batter is in the baking pan, we're gonna bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. I'll come back when it's ready. I just got it out of the oven and it looks very good. Just look at that brownie. I also added some sprinkles on the top. Wow, it's looking very good. I can't wait to try it. So let's try it right now. Okay guys, let's try it now. Wow, there's so much flavor inside of the brownie. It looks so good and also tastes so amazing. You could even add frosting onto the top of it. I just didn't do it this time. But yeah, it's very sweet on the inside. The cocoa really adds a very good flavor to this brownie. You should really try this if you're bored, or if you just want to try new recipes like me. So yeah, that was the brownie video today. It had 6 ingredients, so it was very simple and anyone could do this. I'm pretty sure that people have these ingredients that were used in this video today. Remember to subscribe, also comment down below, like this video, and see you guys later. Bye!